Hi guys. So today I am going to share with you best resources to start your coding journey step by step, or in short, the famous coding roadmap for everyone. So starting with the basics, you have to master data structures and algorithm. I believe everyone should start with their favorite programming language instead of starting at random with using Java because it's the hardest language to code in, or choose Python just because its syntax is too easy. So for C++, you can go to the channel Apna College DSA with CPP for beginners. It's a very good channel for learning coding by applying practical knowledge. Similarly, for Java, you can prepare the channel by Dinesh Baryani. Here he made you understand linked list with animation of each line of code, which is the best to understand. And also with queues are also available here. For Python and JavaScript, you can prepare code with Harry. For in English, you can it are two channels in English and in Hindi. In Hindi, the Hindi coding zone, as you can see, and in English, you can prepare code with Harry. For JavaScript also you can prepare the same, or you can, if you prepare a book with coach, I will suggest data structures and algorithm with JavaScript by O'Reilly Media, where to get a book in among almost all coding books for free. You can use livejohn.is website. You can get a DC comics for fun here as well. And for coding of DSA, uh, I will share the link in this video. This link is present at my GitHub account. When you have decided which language to pick, do coding question from any one of the sheets of other famous YouTubers in parallel with learning with your favorite language. So you can Google love upper DSA sheets. It has 250 questions keyboard tech. You can do as much as you can, and the solution and the approach in which the way to solve the problem is provided in this YouTube channel by code library. Similarly, for Striper, you can search for Striper AT sheet. It has lower number of questions, 120 questions, but it is one of the best. It explains deeply in memorization, tabulation, recursion, everything, and the link is provided here also. So for loot code, you can prepare Kevin Norton Jr. for company-based questions. Like you want to search for Google-based or Microsoft-based questions, you can prepare it playlist. So it contains I recommend you to do almost 150 easy, 100 medium and 10 hard question. You can pick randomly or take from here. As you can see, this is the playlist for Kevin Norton Jr. This is the playlist for code library. Here is the solution for LabBubber DSA for 50 question binary tree, graph, binary search tree, everything. You can go to playlist and choose LabBubber for DSA for 50 questions. And this is the website for TakeUForward. So by using the this ST sheet, you can also get placed in a top company if you work hard and sincerely. So coming to the second point, advantages of Python and why choose Python. So it has many advantages, like you can do machine learning using structured data sets. You can do data science using tabular data sets like CSV and Excel and TXT file and PDF format file. You can use NLP using text data set like TXT files and PDF files and image that contains text. You can do deep learning using unstructured data sets. So dataset with follows graph-like property, like clickstream dataset. You can know the various features of this dataset, and you can do deep learning in this. You can also make single-page, multi-page web apps and website creation using Django, Flask, Streamlit, and Dash, among other frameworks like Portal, Web2Py, and Falcon. You can also do web scraping. Then you can deal with time series dataset. You can create Arima models using these are basic various machine learning models for time series datasets. You can what is the advantage of doing predominantly in time series dataset? You can resample. For example, you can resample the dataset according to hourly frequency, according to monthly frequency, according to yearly frequency, using the timestamp provided by the dataset. You can do matplotlib visualizations. You can make a pip installable package using Python and exe software files with ease. You can do automation of everything that follows pattern using PyAutoGUI package. You can implement one-liner during the time of competitive coding to get your answer very quickly if your logic building is solid. You can do game development using Pygame, Coco 2D package. You can do GUI development using Tkinter or WX Python. You can learn more about NoSQL database like Firestore, Firebase, MongoDB, and Cassandra DB, and Hive, and others. And you can learn more about SQL database, various variants of it, like PostgreSQL, SQL, MySQL, and others. And you can also in the same way learn about the concept of database management and handling big large amount of data. Last but not the least, you can also do cyber security. Disadvantages of Python: so don't get pulled by its easy syntax. If you don't optimize your code, suppose you ran it two for loops instead of making functions using DSA concept in a single for loop. Time complexity will increase like hell. So O of n square will not run for when n equals to 10 raised to power 5. So that you have to apply algorithm like O of n log n or O of n or even O of 1 or somewhere between O of 1 to O of n log n, but not O of n square. So be aware of that while writing logic. Advantages of JavaScript in choose JavaScript. Its integration with Python APIs like Django is very smooth. Once the basics are clear, you can jump into React, Angular, Vue, or other famous framework of your choice. Basic syntax of JavaScript is the building block of advanced framework. If you don't know them well enough, you cannot move ahead in your coding journey. Uh, then you can do data visualization in 2D and 3D. You can make a good portfolio website like this. So if you click on projects, it will show different kind of projects. If you click on go back, it will go back to main screen. If you click on go back again, and then you can select different types of things. Don't worry, this is not easy to make. This is a very high level code, but you can learn this. So disadvantages of JavaScript. It is hardcore debugging when a bug comes in your code. Even if the code is production code, JavaScript is a somewhat skewed debugger that doesn't show the correct region of code failure. So moving on, advantages of Java and why choose Java. Java and JavaScript are completely different languages. In Java, you can use any of its package. Suppose you choose to use big integer class to calculate a raised to power b when a equals to 1000 and b is equals to 232 very efficiently. You cannot directly calculate a raised to power b using binary exponentiation or anything power function. You have to store all of the intermediate outputs in an array, and then all this hard coding will be done by big integer class very efficiently. So you will get the answer. So if you want to get the answer of last 10 digits of e raised to power b, you can do it by big integer class in Java. Moving on, you can do multi-threading. You can learn all of your favorite concepts of OOPS. Disadvantages of Java is that for a single one line of code, it will be equivalent to 10 lines of same logic in Java. So suppose if you want to make a simple snake game or Ludo game in Java, it will be highly to write a code for it unless you use its own set of libraries and packages to get the work done for you. Now we are clear with advantages and disadvantages of each programming language, and we have finished DSA by now. So we can move forward to advanced stuff like learning everything from pre-courses. Where to get a pre-courses? You can get a pre-courses from this website, takeudemy.com. This website has all of the pre-courses available, but they don't directly give certificate in this course. For that, you have to join the click on any one of the course and join its Telegram channel, which will be somewhere here. Click. Once you get invited to this Telegram channel, once you join this, you will see multiple courses with a free certificate and a coupon for free. When you click on this link, you will go to this link and you will get a coupon. Either the coupon will be expired, or if you are lucky, you will get a coupon, and then you can do certified courses for free, and you will also get course certificate in the end. So then you can learn anything that piques your interest. I will show you a potential list in no particular order. So you can learn Android development using this playlist of Johan Julius. It's a very good playlist. You can learn game development, but it is hard to learn from book. You can learn from book by searching game development in Python from livegen.is. I will show you. Here I search for this. You will get multiple books. You can take anyone which you like and to start doing coding and understanding object-oriented programming for it also. But I prefer you should pay for this and get courses of Martin Yanev, or get a free book by searching for game development in Python, which I have already mentioned from livegen.is. This is the link for the paid courses by Martin Yanev, who is an aerospace and aeronautical engineer. So you can learn Java game development, complete Python game development for 2022, game development with Pygame, real world games. Also, although you will get a code in books, but I prefer you should pay for this. For competitive programming, do lots of code shape and code process questions by setting a filter according to random difficulty wise for intermediate to pro programmers, and topic wise as well as especially if you are a beginner. Moving on, you can start building machine learning web apps. Right now, Streamlit tutorial is presented by Data Professor. You can see here. For you can learn Streamlit from Data Professor, and Dash in combination with Plotly. It is a new kid in town. You can get ideas to make your Dash app from the Dash gallery. All of the source code are present in their website. So you can see this dashboard is meshed by Dash. It uses a code of control charts, and it uses various sets of open, high, low, close control points, and plot the upper control limit, lower control limit, 1 sigma value, 2 sigma value, and all of the an interesting pie chart over here. So after getting idea what to make for your Dash app, from this case dash gallery. You can start learning it by creating multi-chart web app using charming data. YouTuber. So after building web apps using machine learning in Python, you can start building web apps using JavaScript. You can prepare building clones from YouTuber clever programmer if you have time and your own personal laptop in a mint condition. You can create Disney clone, you can create Tinder clone, you can create YouTube clone, you can create TikTok clone, you can create Spotify clone, you can also create a select clone. I have also created my first clone from here, custom charge clone, in which I have implemented all of the logic of clever programmer. As you can see these things here. It contains sign in and sign out authentication with email and password. It contains video. If I click on this, a video will come. If I click on this, video will disappear here like that. And you can. I am sign in, so I can select a different type of chart from here to like to read scatter plot, candlestick plot, leading plot, polar plot, all this. And when I upload CSV file by clicking on it, I will get a chart for the drop down header rows name according to drop down header row names. So after doing this, or if you want to skip it, you can do advanced data structures and algorithm starting from DB. You can understand what is top-down approach, bottom-up approach, memoization, and Bundy DP, which extends up to 2D and 3D DP. To what is the logic behind the number theory using primes instead of insights of sheep of Eratosthenes and using segmented sheep. And what is Euler Tuition function by 1 E9 plus A1 as a prime is chosen in competitive programming. You can learn segmentary, penvic tree, graph traversals, and size of breadth first search and depth first search. So hold on. This I will go in detail from where to learn step by step. So for resources to get started with advanced DSA, you can watch videos of CodeNCode YouTuber. Here a playlist for number theory, bit manipulation, advanced string algorithm, disjoint dataset, concept of union and find, path compression technique, what it is, what is graphs, traversals using breadth first search, depth first search, what is segmentary, uh, along with code logic. What is last but not least, what is square root decomposition and Morse algorithm. So this is all about advanced data structures and algorithm. DP is one of the subtopics of it. For DP, you have to first 100 questions on Project Euler. Then you will get an idea uh, from doing these 100 questions. You will get a good grip of what a DP question made of. Then you can understand the concept of DGTP from YouTuber Kartik Arora, who is a code process candidate master. Here you can see DP with bit mask, code process problems, dynamic programming beginner to advanced. You can refer to these videos. Then look into Aditya Verma's concept related to DP. Although I have not gone deep into it, but people are preparing it. So just for fun, start understanding the meaning of recursion and graphs from Utkarsh Gupta videos for beginners. So this is all about DP. I will tell about combinatorics, permutation and combination, where to learn high school math. So you can take the course of Ruchi Chhabra. Whenever there is a sale on Udemy, you can take her courses. They are very good courses. I will recommend the permutation and combination one course It is very good course, and you will get a good grip in competitive coding. What is the application of permutation and combination here. So right now sale is going on, so it is uh, available at a cost of 500 rupees only. So you can take this course and you can learn everything here. If you have learned all of this and read till the end, or you want to learn in a random order, do these projects. Generative, you can create gains, generative adversarial neural networks. Uh, what what are gains? They create fake images which are very close to real images. So you cannot identify between fake and real images. You can learn the applications of gains. What are the applications of gains? From this Jovian.ai website. Here it teaches you everything about gains and PyTorch. You can learn PyTorch also. Then you can build 3D websites using 3ds for 3D animations from this course. If you want to prepare purchase course, then it is available for $95. And if you want to don't want to go through course, you can go to the 3ds.org website and you can go to the documentation. You can see the examples and support this one example is there. You can see how this can be made by clicking on this double arrow and getting the source code for it and implementing this in React. So if you do not want to do all of this, you can still create an interactive web app like YouTube video downloader by adding options like different regulations in with or without voice using Python. They take care of multi-threading in advanced way. Using my project Takeunter barcode, you can run it in your local this GUI 6 and see what you can do with this and make your own web app. You can also start doing a course on building games using Unity on Unreal or Unreal Engine if you have a gaming laptop. You can make your own pip installable Python package that solves any of the real world problems, making life easy for not only developers but also humans in general. You can also create your own AI powered website that give various machine learning model powered output when you upload some data into it. You can scrape friends from website like Facebook. I have already made a Facebook scraper by using the concept of recursion, which I have learned from DSA. And another example would be you can scrape justdial.com website. Here also I have used DSA concept of DSA and uh, get out scrape the website for the various customers for various addresses and phone numbers, everything. So that's it for this video, guys. See you next time. Bye.